Obviously getting the recognition for something which was so in a way experimental was quite a nice feat.
Għajn Xtutna hija produzzjoni ta' sfin li taqgħad dak li huwa magħruf bħala open style ma' sfin kontemporanju f'esplorazzjoni qawwija tal-passat u l-preżent ta' Malta. Ix-xogħol li ġie ppreżentata l-ewwel darba f'April tal-2024 jieħu l-ispirazzjoni mit-torrijiet storiċi tal-Asta ta' Malta, simboli ta' viġilanza, protezzjoni u ta' reżiljenza kollettiva. U fil-fatt ingħata l-Premju għall-Arti 2025 għall-Aqwa Produzzjoni ta' sfin mill-Kunsill Malti għall-Arti. Llum ġejna nitkellmu mad-direttriċi u l-koreografa Portelli dwar xi jfisser għalija dan l-unur.
It was a project which was one of the most collaborative projects Moveo ever had. We came up with the idea in quite an unconventional way, so to speak. We felt the need to actually incorporate other people from outside the company to work with us, and we really wanted to support Malta-based artists, and we were thinking of how we could do this and give a performance with a Maltese identity.
F'dawn l-aħħar edizzjonijiet, il-Premju L-Aqwa Produzzjoni ġie maqsum f'5. Ġie maqsum f'5 għas-sempliċi raġuni biex inkunu nistgħu nippremjaw l-iktar kategoriji illi hemm preżenti fis-settur kulturali u kreattiv. Dawn il-kategoriji huma teatru, sfin, multidixxiplinarja, arti viżiva u mużika.
The kind of irony, I would say, came about where we actually wanted to involve two of Moveo's, at the time, veteran artists, which were Charlotte Carpentier and Gabriele Farinacci, who were living in Malta for quite a few years, but were not intrinsically Maltese. To balance it out, we decided and then to involve Cheryl Lofreda, who was a really, really nice addition to the team because she comes with a completely different style to the style we are used to moving. And we also got dancers who were not directly involved with Moveo. So we worked with Nicole, we worked with Sarah and a few others. And to be honest, there was a harmony and a group like energy in the studio, which was very new to us. We had Luke, who comes from a more urban background and a more commercial style, and we kind of blended all these styles together to come up with a performance, which I think was a first.